Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the phone and starting the first actions now. Back up your photos and contacts, then plug into Wi-Fi and a charger. Once done, open Settings and enable Developer Options. This gives you access to USB debugging and OEM unlock where available. Make sure to confirm your Samsung account credentials so you can sign back in. Do these steps immediately, so the subsequent security delay work proceeds without interruptions or locked account obstacles. You now remove account bindings and clear system caches to eliminate security delay triggers. First, sign out of Samsung and Google accounts and remove saved credentials. This prevents FRP hold. Then reboot into recovery and wipe the cache partition. This clears temporary security flags. If the device still shows a delay in progress, perform a factory reset from recovery. This resets system state and often clears prolonged security timers. Follow each step deliberately and confirm reboots between actions. You finish by restoring accounts and verifying the device is clean of delay conditions. Once the reset completes, re-add your Google then Samsung account, verifying with two-factor codes to prevent new holds. Next, update Android and Samsung apps so security policies are current. Make sure to check Smart Switch for any pending restores. If the security delay still appears, use Smart Switch to reflash firmware or visit an authorized Samsung service. They can clear persistent security flags safely.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.